Yo, what it is, my beautiful people. So today we're going to be replacing the front screen of an iPhone SE 2020. I hope you can see it properly here. And this is the new screen we got from Amazon. So let's check it out. And I'm going to put some background music. I'm not gonna do much talking. This is the new screen. And the first thing you do is that you usually check the new screen to make sure it has all the proper pieces. And this screen happens to come with a home button and with a camera and microphone and the whole setup, so I don't have to disconnect and connect this again later. It looks good. And it comes with the little tools, so that's pretty cool. I don't need those because I got screws right here. And I think it's supposed to come with a magnetic little plate to put the stuff on. But no, I don't see any magnetic plate anywhere. So I don't think it comes with it. Okay. Alright, I have a magnetic plate somewhere, but I'm not going to use it. So, first things first, we need a place to put the screws. So let's see. We have anything we could use to put the screws in. Hmm. Let's put some music. Alright, we're gonna put the screws here. Alright, and let's begin. So first things first, we have to take off these screws over here. For that, we need a special kind of screwdriver. And I guess I should show you, the screen doesn't work at all. Like I tried to click anywhere, anything, nothing is working, okay? Nothing is working. So, let me take off this screw. Little tiny ass screw. And it has two screws. By the way, I have been working with this phone with the broken screen for about 1 year. And I'm sick and tired of it. I've already changed the screen twice. But the first time I changed the screen, I went to a shop. I didn't do it myself because I wanted the fingerprint to still work. And the problem with this is that if you change the home button of these SE 2020 iPhones, you cannot add the fingerprint, which really sucks. But what are you gonna do? Alright, so that's that. Let's try to open it up. And for this part, I suggest you turn off the phone. And the problem with turning off the phone is that I cannot even slide. So just hold the power button for a while until it completely shuts off. Okay, taking forever to shut off. It's kind of weird. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. I guess it doesn't shut off. You're supposed to slide to power off. Alright. We're learning together. This is the first time I change this kind of screen. So I guess we're gonna have to... Yeah, we're gonna have to... Oh, I got it to move a little bit. Nope. Okay. Alright. We'll shut it off once we get it open. So you put this there and you pull on the screen, and as you pull on the screen you can start opening here. Okay, gotta be very careful. It's not that hard once you know what you're doing. Alright, so here we go. And you do this all around. Trying not to crack the screen more than it is already cracked. I don't know if you can see in the camera, the screen is very, very cracked. Look. Let's see if I can zoom in. Very, very cracked. Yep. See the cracks all over the place. It's not focusing, but there are the cracks. It's cracked all over the place. All over. And I have actually been cutting my finger trying to use the screen like this. So yeah, it's time to change it. Alright, so we got this baby open, right? This is how an SE 2020 looks like on the inside. And let's see what else we gotta do. Okay, so first things first, we gotta turn this guy off because it's still on, even though we have it open. And the way to do that is to disconnect the battery. Okay, so here is the battery, and this is standard with all the iPhones. And again, you gotta make sure that you know where those screws are gonna go, because they need to go back in the same exact order. Let me put some light so you can see. I'm just taking out the battery screws. And obviously it's better if you have the phone off, but since we couldn't turn it off, we're just gonna have to disconnect the screen. Now, disconnecting the screen doesn't mean that the phone is technically off. It just means that we have disconnected the screen. That's pretty much what it means. Alright, let's grab this guy and disconnect the screen. Boom. And boom. Okay. So we disconnected the screen, but the phone is probably still on. Why? Because the battery is connected. Okay. So this is the battery right here. We could always disconnect the battery. And I believe we should disconnect the battery. So let's disconnect the battery. And technically the phone has to be off now. Yep. And you could tell it's off because it's just a lot colder now. Alright. And we disconnected the battery. Now we need to disconnect this top portion, which I have never seen before, over here. So let's get to it. Or actually, I'm pretty sure we could leave that on. Let's see. This is the screen. Oh no, yeah, we gotta disconnect that because that's the camera and all that stuff. I wonder if we could leave it connected though. Yeah. Let's disconnect it, that way we could change it. Change the entire front part of the iPhone. Because that's why I bought this screen with the camera and the home button included, so I wouldn't have to work so much. Almost. One more screw. What the? Boom, baby. Boom. And I just cut my nails. This is exactly why I hate cutting my nails. Uh-oh. Alright, and now we could unplug the screen. Come on, baby. So I usually do this with my nails, but since I don't have nails, I have to use this stupid little tool. And now this comes with some sort of like coating here, some sort of like black coating here for water, because these phones are supposed to be water resistant or whatnot. So we probably have to change that as well. So in order to change that, I probably have to scrape it off. Yep, we need to scrape it off. Now mind me, I haven't watched any video about how to change these phones. I'm literally just winging it. Like, just wing it, baby. I guess it didn't have a protective layer anymore. So probably the last person that changed the screen didn't do a good job, and they didn't put the elastic protective layer in there. And I would have never found out unless I wet the phone. It's actually a good thing I opened the phone up. So otherwise I wouldn't have known. Alright, so let's check out the new screen. This is the new screen. New screen. Okay. It's exactly the same. You can see, exactly the same. And we're actually gonna label this one. We're gonna put broken with an X. And we're gonna label the camera with a little check mark saying it's good, and the bottom with a little check mark saying it's good. Alright, now the only notable difference I see between the new camera and the old one is this sticker over here. So that's fine. Alright, so this is the old screen. Bye bye old screen. Hello new screen. Now the question is what the heck? Oh, look, I found a little metal thing. Nice. Well, too late. Too late, I'm already using this. But look, the question is what the heck is this, man? Like, I don't know. Like, where do I even put it? Do I put it here? Like, I don't know, man. Like, what? I don't know. Alright, let's put it here. What the hell? Like, we don't even know where it's supposed to go. Oh, what? I don't get it, man. Does this come with directions? No, it doesn't. It doesn't come with directions. So where the heck does this go? Where? Somebody help me. All right, so this is, oh yeah, never mind. Yeah, this goes like this, and then I guess you tape it like this. Yeah. Tape yourself, man. Tape yourself. Damn, you need a lot of precision to do this. To be so precise. Precise. Okay, I think I got it. Alright, so that is the protective layer I was telling you about, okay? That protective layer is for the waterproof rating of the phone, I imagine. And you need to tape it there. Let's just like make sure it's actually taped. So we go like this, just like pushing it in. You could push it in with your finger too. Bam, baby, bam. And we got the protective layer. Let's see if we could take this blue thing out. Nope, blue thing doesn't want to come off. Dang it, I guess the phone is too dirty for the thing to stick. Come on, just go ahead and stick in there. Stick in there. What are you doing? It really doesn't want to stick. I wonder if I did this wrong. Okay, there. Took it off. And I already broke it. Alright. That's fine. Just, oh, because I sticked it in the wrong way. I sticked it in the wrong way. Did I? I don't know. I'm not sure that I did. No, I sticked it the right way. The thing is that my phone is way too dirty. Yeah, it's way too dirty. So it's not gonna... Guess you could try to clean it with alcohol. So just get some isopropyl alcohol and try to clean it. Try to get you get a little copito, cotton swab. You get a cotton swab. You dip it in alcohol, just like so, and you can clean the sides. And so this thing was dirty, so dirty. And it already has a little bit of a sticky thing there. Okay. So you see, it's all clean, and look at the cotton. The cotton is super dirty now. All right. So let's try this again. See if it actually sticks this time. Man, how I wish I had nails right now. Nope, it's not sticking at all. All right, that's fine. We don't really truly need this to stick on. I mean, you do need this if you want your phone to be, I don't know, decently waterproof. But since I don't care about that much, then it's fine. All right, so now the first thing we do is that we test the screen, okay? So we're gonna put this here. And this guy used to go like this, so we have to bend it a little bit. Well, actually that's the camera, so we don't need it right now. So we're gonna connect the screen over here. And you have to hear the little clicking sound. Okay, let's connect the camera too. I really hope you could see this, because otherwise then it's a fail. Okay. Well, connecting this camera is harder than I thought, because you need little fingers. All right, and let's connect the battery. The phone is turning on, as you can see. And this is the first thing we do. We test the screen before we start tightening any screws, okay? Of course, you gotta make sure that you charge the phone before you do all the shenanigans. Oh crap. Nice. All right. Unable to activate ID touch. Yes, we know. Okay, but the screen is working, you see? That's fine. All right, and we have a working screen. Look at this. Bam, baby. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, blah, blah, blah. Yes. Okay. Let's go, baby. All right. So now we're gonna shut it off. Haha. And it works. And now we're gonna close it back up. As simple as that. Okay. So unfortunately, I forgot where these things went. I think they went like this. Okay, cool. All right, so we're gonna grab this. Let me see if I could focus in there. Anyways, we're gonna put this back here. Boom. Just like that. And we're gonna start closing it up. Like so. This is because the screen works. We still have to check the camera. Okay, but first I want to close the screen. And remember, these screws have to go back in the same exact position that they were in before, because some of them are longer than others. And a word of advice: if you don't have one of these magnetized thingamajiggy, get them, because they're the shit. They rock. So I'm going to magnetize my screwdriver so I could get the screw like so, and it makes life way easier. You see? Now I don't have to worry about grabbing the screw and all that stuff. I hope YouTube doesn't block my video because of the music. But it's like classical music. I don't think anybody's gonna like bother me for having classical music on the background. Right? I mean, Beethoven wouldn't mind. Mozart wouldn't mind. Bach wouldn't mind. They would be proud and happy that I'm doing this with their music. Alright, so now that we have this set up, let's turn it on and let's test the camera. Yeah, it takes a while. So the only bad thing is that now I won't be able to use my fingerprint, which is fine. It wasn't working that well anyways. Somebody hit my phone with a soccer ball. That's what happened, in case you're wondering, and in case you're still watching this video. Alright, let's test the camera. Yes, I know about the Touch ID. Alright, camera works. What it is, yo, what's up? Alright, it looks like the camera works. So yeah, camera works alright. So at this point I could leave the phone on because I'm a daredevil like that. Don't do it if you're not comfortable doing it, okay? Just don't do it. Don't do it if you're not comfortable. I'm going to put this where it belongs, over here. Between the thoughtfully curated music choices, including the ever-evolving. All right, and now keep in mind that I bought a screen that had a camera and a home button. It already had them, okay? So I didn't have to uninstall those because they were already part of the assembly of the camera. So if your home button and your camera work properly and you don't need to replace those, then you will have to go through the process of changing the home button and changing the camera. Just keep in mind, when you change the home button for this type of phone, your fingerprint won't work anymore because Apple made it like this. Apple pretty much hates their customers, and they made it so like you wouldn't be able to change the home screen without having to go to Apple and paying a fortune. So I'm like, no, screw you, Apple. I don't care about that shenanigan. Just let me be. And then you have to push in, Push in, push, push, push. Everything clicks in there. Bam, baby. Click in there and boom, boom. That's it. That's it. That's it. That's how you change the screen of an iPhone 2020. Now, I'm going